contemporary art starts immediately just as you arrive to the parking lot. Really enjoy how the contemporary art pieces blend in seamlessly with all the traditional architecture. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Peccioli, another lovely Tuscan town, but not just any town. This place blends perfectly the traditional Tuscan charm with contemporary art. As you can probably see from this tube passage behind my back, I'm so excited. This place is famous for being one of the most loved Tuscan towns, but also of course for all the art exhibitions and artworks all around the town. Guys, I have no words to tell you just how excited I am to discover it with you. It's my first time here and I'm taking you with me. Let's explore it together. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. And now guys, let's go with me. The contemporary art starts immediately just as you arrive to the parking lot. You can get to this passage by the elevator or you can just walk, and then, people just use it. I mean, locals just use it as a normal street, as if it was a normal street. I have no words, guys. But this, guys, is not just a walk or something. This is actually an artwork, as you can see. It's called Endless Sunset and it's a work by Patrick Fuoco, who is one of the main names here in Peccioli, along with David Tremlett and some others. We'll see their artworks later. And there was this group of contemporary artists, basically, who have transformed this place completely, gave it a new look, and also gave it the reputation of this very peculiar town that now brings so many people here and generates so much interest online and also offline in person. So this is a perfect example, guys, how a small town not known to anybody can be given this new identity and can be reborn in some way. So far, I really enjoy how the contemporary art pieces blend in seamlessly with all the traditional architecture. They do not ruin it at all. They actually make it stand out even more. This year, guys, Peccioli won the awards of Borgo dei Borghi, being recognized as the most famous, the most loved, the most important medieval town in Italy. Borgo dei Borghi literally translates as the medieval town of the medieval towns. So you see what I'm talking about, right? Besides that, guys, Peccioli was also recognized as one of the most searched Italian medieval towns online, and also generating the biggest interest online of all these small medieval towns here. Clearly, Peccioli is still a Tuscan town with its incredible history, very, very long history. And this, for example, is the local cathedral, and it has a very unusual location because when it was constructed around the 11th century, usually the churches like this were constructed outside the city walls. As you can probably hear the service going on there right now. This church, guys, is dedicated to a French priest who passed by Peccioli on his way to Rome and allegedly cured the town from plague. And then the church was constructed and he became the patron saint of this town. Look at this artwork, which is called Lo Sguardo dei Peccioli, and literally translates as the gaze of Peccioli, depicting the eyes of the locals. I love it so much. Another tourist incentive here, guys, is that you can rent one of these electric cars to move around the city center of Peccioli. I don't know why would you need it, because it's really tiny, but if you have to rent a car here, rent this one. Guys, I mean, have you seen this terrace? It's breathtaking. I'm in awe of this town. How many big cities can say that they have the panoramic terrace like this one, let alone a small medieval town? I love it so much. Just look at this view. It's amazing. Come with me. Can you guys see that giant statue? It is actually called the Giant, and it is another art installation, one of the most famous art installations here in Peccioli. There are several of these giants, and most of them are up to 9 meters tall and weigh around 1,000 kilos. I think it's amazing. And also, you know, initially they were called the Presence, like the name of the art installation was the Presence, but the locals were so affectionate toward these statues that they started calling them the Giants, and they became known as the Giants. Even on Google Maps you can now find the pins for these statues, wherever they are, as the Giants of Peccioli. I think it's lovely. And that's it for today, guys. You know that I love saying bye in these pictures, places, and I think this one is absolutely perfect to wrap up this amazing day in Peccioli. I loved it so much. It was just so strikingly different from all other Tuscan towns that I've been to, that I've seen, and also other Italian towns as well. And I hope that you felt this atmosphere and that you enjoyed it as well, and that you will come visit it one day to explore this wonderful, absolutely wonderful mix of Italian tradition and classic architecture with this modern and contemporary twist. So yeah, guys, having said that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet. Hit the bell button down below so you don't miss anything. Like and comment this video. Tell me if you've been here or what did you like most of this video and of this town. I'd love to hear back from you, and thank you so much for being here. Please enjoy your day.